CES 2024 was all about AI, and while some was a gimmick, Samsung's new AI Family Hub Plus seems useful. Like the previous version, the fridge has a camera built in. Open the doors with a simple tap, and the camera will track what you're putting in or taking out. But Samsung improved the AI. It can use images to plan personalized recipes and even alert you of what food is expiring. That's impressive, but what's shocking is how fast it was. It immediately recognized foods, and the software seemed way better. Right now it can only recognize 33 foods, so maybe it's just a step above Is It Hot Dog app.